Hi everyone! Did you know that you can save and restore saved versions of your website.com website? I'll show you how you can make saved versions of your website throughout your website building process so you can have a worry-free website building experience. All website.com Elite plans and above allow you to restore saved versions of your website. With all website.com plans, a saved version of your website is automatically created every time you publish or reset your website. But with Business Basic plans and above, you can also choose to create a saved version of your website at any time. So to create a saved version of my website, all I have to do is click Site Settings on the bottom left, and then scroll down to look for Site History under Tools. You'll see your current version of your website design right here. To save a copy of it, just click Save. You can give this saved version a name, so I'll call it Minimalist. And then click Save Revision. You'll also see all of the saved versions of your website right here. And if you want to preview a saved version of the website, just click on it. So if you click on the drop-down on the top beside Show, you'll see that you can apply a filter to show all of the revisions, all the revisions that you've manually saved, all of the versions that have been automatically saved by the website builder, or your favorited versions. To add a revision to your favorites list, all you have to do is click the heart on the version to mark it as a favorite. When you hover on a revision, you'll see that you can click these icons to rename it or delete it altogether. And to restore your design to a previous version, just hover on the revision you want your site to revert to and click the Restore icon to restore your site design to this revision. Just click Restore. So now I've restored the website to this web design. If I want these changes to go live, all I have to do is click Publish. It's that easy to see your website design history, create a saved version, and restore to previous website versions. Feel free to reach out to our team if you have any questions or comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more website design tips.